Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this celebrity or pattern designing, which is so simple and easy. I'd be trying this on already stitched blouse. This is how the blouse would look, completely the plain blouse, and here I'd be using chain ball lace. Next to that, using 1 mm gold metallic beads. Firstly, we need to highlight the sleeve opening. So for that, widely I'd apply the glue line like this. So one after another, I'll be sticking here chain ball lace, gold metallic beads, again chain ball lace. The materials which I have used for this designing are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want, you can check it. Simple and easy with very less efforts, and I had only spent 50 rupees for this designing. The complete makeover had done. So for the gold metallic beads, here I'd be working with the cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. That all the beads I'd be inserting at a time. Once the sticking is done, I'd be giving an invisible stitches on it. The lotus designing I'd be showing here directly with the marking of the pencil, but if you are not comfortable directly marking like this, you can also mark on the paper, then transform using the carbon paper or any tracing paper on the fabric. Here I had done this designing only on the blouse. If you want, you can also try this on border of the pallu for the designing, which I have shown in the pic. You'll get an idea of how to do that. As it's the customized pattern, the design which and the size which you want, you can always customize as per your requirement. And a simple technique I'd be going here with the using of glitter gold cone of Fevicryl brand. Firstly, I'd apply like this and spreading it evenly with using the tip of the finger like this. You can also use earbuds or any cotton swab for spreading. This would be the first coat. Here I'd be applying 2 more coats to get the glitter finishing very uniquely, and it will not go. This would be the first coat. Once this is dried, we have to go for 2 more coats so that the glitter shining will be forever. I'm done with the 3 coatings, and this is how the finishing would look. And I had given the outlining, that means embossed look we have to get it. So for that also, here I'd be using the gold glitter 3D cone. Spread it broadly so that you will get the same finishing. And now I'm using copper color. This is to highlight the borders of this lotus. You can directly use 3D color of copper if it's available. I didn't get that one, so I'd be going with this option, and this is completely optional. If you have 2 colors, it will really highlight the pattern. So in that way, I'd be going with the copper color. This is to highlight the borders or outline. If you don't want, you can skip this, and you can use directly the 3D copper cone. Now with the leftovers on the sleeves, I'd be going with the beads work with the Zardozi. For that, I'd be sticking the bead first. Then all around this bead, I'll be highlighting with the antique Zardozi, because the final finishing you will get like an antique work matte finishing pattern. These are really made with the great efforts in the boutiques, but we can also try with this simple technique and we can design easily at home, isn't it? The final lookout is in front of you. Preferable washing is the dry wash or the light wash. This is the left hand side of the blouse, and really I am liking this blouse. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. Hope you will also try this beautiful homemade matte finishing designer pattern. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Men's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications. Till then, see you all. Bye for now.